Welcome everybody to a new CAL tutorial. My name is Carlos and today I'm going to show you how to assign Blackboard exams to a specific group. Let's assume that you have a class where you have several groups and you want each group to have a different exam. Blackboard doesn't have this option readily available, but there is a way to circumvent and be able to assign an exam to a group and only that group. So when we go to the test options of our exam, we should be able to know the dates that is being displayed after and displayed until, if it is available. So these dates would denote usually a present time, but in order to be able to have this trick work, we want them to work for a date in the past. So obviously this is not a date that the system is going to recognize anymore. And now we're going to take advantage of the test availability exceptions by adding a group. And when you have your groups, let's assume this one. This is now the time where we want to assign the exam. Assume a present date This means that this exam will be available only to this test group at these times. And because we're at the date in the past, anyone outside of the test group will not be able to see the exam open ever. Unless of course we invent a time machine, but that's beside the point. Thank you for watching and have a great day.